So great question. And I thought that a nice way to answer this would be to look at the amount of radioactivity that has fallen on the United States from global atmospheric weapons testing. And the reason why is because this is representative of what would have fallen into the ocean had the United States actually been ocean there. And it wasn't just the United States doing the atmospheric weapons testing, it was other nations also, but doing hydrogen bomb testing in the Pacific and elsewhere caused fallout to occur all over the earth. And these levels that you see here on the United States go up to around 3,000 becquerels per square meter. And so, yes, this is also in the ocean. It's also across the United States. That which occurred from the Nevada test site is actually a small fraction of this. But then the question comes up, well, how bad is this, right? There's all of this fallout that's all over the earth. It's been there probably since you were born and is going to be there for centuries still. How bad is it? Is this horrifying? Is this, X-Men revisited? Let's put this in context, shall we? And so this graph here shows the average dose that a U.S. citizen gets from both natural, the stuff here on the right, the green, and the man-made, the stuff that's over here on the blue. And what you see is that the overwhelming amount of the stuff over here on the blue, it's all medical, different radiography, nuclear medicine, and things like that. And the largest fraction of what we get from natural is due to radon. And way up at the top, you can see the industrial and the occupational. That's like 0.1% of the average dose that we get. And a small fraction of that is that fallout, the anthropogenic radioactivity that is now ubiquitous on the earth. It's a very small fraction of the natural radioactive background that's giving rise to what you see there, terrestrial, internal, and the radon and thoron. And it's just an incredibly small amount, and yet it's easy to terrify people that such a small amount of radioactivity or radiation dose could frighten somebody when we're getting overwhelmingly larger amounts from other sources, medical and natural as well. So I hope that helps. Yes, the ocean is radioactive, always has been, always will be. And there was a little bit more that was given there in the sense that we took some of the natural radioactivity, we fissioned it so that it would decay faster, and it's still detectable, but that doesn't mean that it's dangerous. It just means that we have some really impressive instrumentation and measurement technology that allows us to see it. So I hope that helps, puts you to ease, and informs you better. So thanks for asking. Have a good day.